Good morning, friends. Today we are going to see that most important interview questions in Power BI. So it's very regularly asking questions, and if you go with the experience of 5 years or more than 5 years or more than 3 years experience with the Power BI, so they will ask you some scenarios to be implemented or give the ask you to create a DAX calculation for that. So let's go for see that. What would be that? So I'm connecting to the sample data set. I'm going to get data and Excel workbook. Here we have a sample superstores data set. Just click open, and let's see the data. So our question is here, meanwhile data loading. So how to get display that second highest cell. Generally, we can write in SQL how to write a query for second highest cell. Okay, same thing how you can implement it, how to get display the second highest cell in Power BI. How to get display the second highest cell in Power BI. Okay, so let's go for see the how to get display the second highest cell. So I have a data set here. So let me drag. So for example, I'm taking one tabular view. Click on tabular view, table, and subcategories and sales. So if you see that subcategory wise sales, we have it, right? So accessories, appliances, arts, binders, bookcases, and copiers, envelopes. Okay. So before going to the second ISL, suppose I want to assign a ranks. So what was the value and which is the highest rank, which is the lowest rank I want to get. Just keep it in ascending and descending order. Make it, this is a descending order. The highest rank, the first rank would be chase, and fourth is second rank, storage is third rank. So how you can create a ranks for these values? How you can create a ranks? So there we can go for user new measure. So I want to write a calculation to give the ranks. So go for new measure, and I can say that rank of sales. So what function we can use it for that? Create a calculate the ranks. So I can go for use it a rank x function. There's a function name is called as rank x. Click on rank x. So we have that. We need to provide the table information here. So I can take that all table name or column name. So I will consider here as subcategory. I can go for tickets order subcategory. So I want to be taken consider all the subcategory values. And value level, I can go for give that, sorry, expression. I can give it sum of sales, order sum of sales. Okay. So in the value, I don't pass anything. And here order by, I can specify the descending order. And we have the two ranks types, dense rank and skip rank. I can take it as consider dense rank and consider as dense rank. Right? This is the DAX calculation to be, we can go for get the ranks. Enter. Okay, so try to drag this measure in next to this table view. So what happened? Why we are getting all ranks of one? So try to be understand this. See, all the ranks are one, 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 one. For each and every subcategory, we are getting rank. But as for our expected result would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Okay, we make it as the data in descending order. So we want to display the ranks by order. So what was the wrong we did in the tax calculation? Let's go for check it. So if you double click on here, click on quantity and click on rank sales. So this is a tax calculation. We give rank X all order by subcategory, comma. The expression we written sum of order sales. Okay, let me try to change this sum of order sales. I can create a new measure Okay, I can create a new measure. Here I can mention it. The measure name is total sales. Okay, and equal to sum of sales. I will take that sum of sales. Okay, so total sales and limit as the measure name is total sales, and that is called sum of sales. We are aggregating the data as sum of sales. Now you can go for the rank underscore sales and remove this sum of sales here. See the magic here. I'm just removing the sum of sales, which is already pre-calculated. I'm taking the total sales here. Total sales measure. Okay, let's go for enter and check your results. See, yeah, we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 based on the sum of sales by cat is subcategory. Okay, suppose here I'm getting displays the total value is 1. But as for my request, I don't want to show the 1 here. It should be empty. The total value should be empty. I don't want to show 1 here. So how we can remove this 1 in the totals? So simple, whereas you created the stacks rank underscore sales, just go with that. Write a if calculation if is scope. There is a function called as is in scope. Click on the is in scope. So the is in scope of subcategory B, because we have the subcategory by sales rate, we are taking that subcategory. If is in scope of subcategory, comma, then you can take this ranks function. If it is not in the scope, just make it as comma and make it empty on the double quotations and close the if statement. So now you can check that. So we remove the total value here. We remove the total value here. Okay. So next. So I want to see that I want to get display the second highest sell. Which is the second highest sell here? Phones. 3,31,840 is second highest sell. So how you can get this second highest sell next to it? I want to get display the only second highest sell. So for that we can go for use the new measure, creating the new measure. The new measure I can give it, the new measure name I can give it second highest sales. Okay, so let me write it calculated column, calculate. Okay, I will use the total sales. Already we calculated that sum of sales, right? Total sales. Okay, comma. Okay, I want to use the index function here. I want to use the index function here, index. Okay, the position, which position we want it? Second position. Okay, if you want to get the third ISL, give third. If you want to get the fifth ISL, give the 5. Okay, which position you want it? Just mention that. I want to get display the second ISL, give the 2. And relationship, when you have the relationship here, mention all. So mention that which dimension subcategory we are using, select the subcategory, order subcategory. And here order by, so click on order by function. So order by, what we can take it, order by total sales. I can take the total sales, comma, order by total sales, either ascending or descending order. I can mention descending order. Okay, descending order. Let's close this. Okay, and one more closing bracket. Yes, click enter. Okay, so try to drag this into the view. So we can see what is the measure behavior. So we are getting second highest sell 3,31,842. See phones 3,31,842. But it's getting repeated for each and every subcategory. I don't want to do that. Just I want to be shown here only for the phones 3,31,842. Okay, only this particular row I want to get display value. Remaining all subcategories can show the blank. I don't want to repeat this 3,31,842. So how we can do that? How we can be modify our measure to be get display that The phone says 3,31,842. So there is an option. So why we are repeating here is we using all the function. All function can eliminate all the filters. That's why it's getting repeated for each and every one. So what I will do, I can use the one more function, key filter here, key filter function. All right. So let me close it here, one more bracket. Now you can check it. So let's repeat it. The repetition is removed and you can see only for the second highest cell we are getting here. So I think it's well clear for you. The calculation, the measure how we can return to get the second highest cell. It's very important. So do keep practicing and try to get more knowledge. Yeah. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe and like the channel. So I will keep posted the most of the interview questions asked in different MNC companies. Thank you.